What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be going to a car show. It's like one of the biggest Honda meets here in Central Cal, and it's called Weenie Fest. So yeah, it's a really big Honda meet. There's other cars there too, but a lot of the really cool Honda builds show up there, and I'm excited to go there and kind of see all their K20 builds, and hopefully there's some rear-wheel drive K20 builds. And I'm thinking about trying to finish my 86 and maybe taking it to Weenie Fest next year. That'll be a really cool experience to do. But yeah, I'm gonna go head out there right now. I think it starts around 12. I'm heading, it's like 11:30 right now, so I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, guys, I just got here. I parked kind of far because this place, the parking's not that great, so everybody just parks on the street. So that's where all the cool cars are. And let's check out this. Got some Hondas here. Clean. That has a GSR seats. Nice Mazda Miata. It's like a Miata crew. This one looks cool. It's like Rocket Bunny. But alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start walking down, and then we'll just kind of see what's around, and then we'll head up to the actual show. But here's my baby. And this is a sick shop. Kind of want one this size. I don't think that will fit my backyard. Here comes a maybe I should get out of the street. Man, he's on airbags.
Hey, look how you gotta get in this car, guys. Whatever is you dropped, no, right there. There's another one? Look down, right in the middle. Oh, shit.
a lot of just like newer cars, which is cool, but it kind of gets like repetitive because everybody just buys like the same parts. But still pretty cool. A lot of Type R's. The SW20 right there, and a GTR. Alright, we're heading into the show now, so I'm gonna go on the street first and then walk around.
Should I get your card? I want the blue one. I want to get blue one or the... I don't know, like the different colors.
So I was looking for a bunch of K series. I think you'll see that pretty common here. On crack bar. Got some gander doors. Yeah. Hey, what's up, brother?
What's up, dude?
How's it going, man?
Good, good. How about you, man? You
Good,
got
good.
here?
Yeah, I just got here, yeah.
Sick, sick, good. Yeah, we've been
Damn.
here since around like 9:30.
This morning?
Yeah,
Oh,
so.
shit. Damn, that's sick,
so
man.
just right there, bro. Check it out, man.
Yeah, alright. Can I introduce you in the channel? You mind being recorded?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
This is David.
Hey,
and
what's up?
He owns that S14 Zanky right here.
Check it out, man.
What kind of motor do you have in here?
Right now, just stock.
Oh, just stock?
Yeah, just KA stock.
Okay.
Right now, just for all aesthetics right now,
Yeah.
as of the moment.
It's cool. You can always do it last.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
Motors.
Definitely, definitely.
Damn. Any other plans for this car?
So for this car, I actually want to do a K-Series swap.
Okay.
Yeah, so from the TSX.
It's so easy, man.
Yeah, easy power, cheap, reliable, you know.
Toge Factory already makes everything.
Exactly,
so
exactly.
It's just plug and play.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm trying to do a K swap to my 86 right now. Yeah,
Dude,
my
I was
hatch.
looking at your page. I was
Yeah.
like, bro, you got a badass silica.
Yeah, that's my brother's. Yeah,
Dude.
it's SR swap.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I was like, bro, that shit is fucking amazing.
It's pretty dope,
I was
man.
looking at it. I was like, oh man.
It's
I was
kind
like,
of
oh,
a-
yeah, these guys don't play.
It's like a death trap, though. You know, it's kind of scary to drive.
Oh yeah,
but
for sure.
it's-
Because of the weight to power balance
Yeah.
ratio. Yeah,
But it's
I bet that's like scary.
it's nice, man. Dude, where'd you find the K badge?
So actually, I ordered it from Japan.
Oh, okay.
She was like $60 shit.
Yeah, it's
I was like,
expensive.
"Fuck."
I can't even find them anymore.
Yeah,
I'm
so I was
trying to
like-
find a pair to put on my Kuki too, but
Okay.
dude, it looks good.
Yeah, so it was
man.
actually for the side, but I was like, I like it on the front. So I was like, fuck it, I just put it on the front.
It looks good, man.
Yeah, because I was trying to give it like a Ferrari theme vibe.
Yeah,
Red and
it looks.
yellow.
Is this glass or is this?
Oh no, it's just the clear
protection?
lens.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looks good.
But it is the JDM headlights though, so it has the two housing instead
Yeah.
of one housing.
Damn, it looks
Yeah.
good, man.
Thank you, man. Thank
I
you.
like it. Are you on air right now?
Yes.
Or yeah?
I am on
Oh
back.
shoot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Airlift 3P.
Man, you
full
guys
kit.
don't play for sure, man.
Thanks, man.
It looks good.
Oh, yeah. And if I don't know if you know, but I also did place at Week Fest, so I was pretty happy about that.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, shoot. Congrats, man.
Yeah.
Dude, sick.
Yeah, I
Dude,
was
this
very-
thing's gonna win a lot of
It was like
awards, man.
very unexpected because I was like, oh man, the competition is hella hard over there. You
Yeah,
know? But
that's sick, man. I
great,
like
man,
it.
finally got through to it. So, yeah. And it was
That's right,
always
you went to
been.
Week Fest, huh?
It was, and then like yeah, growing up as a kid, like that was like one of my dreams.
Yeah, going to Week Fest
Yeah,
and just.
like-
I've always been more of a car show guy, you know, building for shows.
Same here, same
yeah.
here. Yeah. Because to build it so beautiful and to wreck it, I don't know how I feel about it.
I know.
Like damage it, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
For me, it's like building a car to drive is fun too, but it's just so expensive on top
Yes.
of that, you know.
Yes.
But I do eventually want to build like a drift car.
Yeah.
But yeah, these cars now they're so old. It's
Yeah,
like you don't
and
even want to
the
do
value-
anything
and
with
the
them.
value of them is kind of like they're going nuts. Like you
Yeah.
don't want to turn it into a drift car
That's
anymore.
true.
Just keep it how it is.
Yeah,
Yeah, not too
it's
bad.
true, man. What size are your wheels?
So they're 18 by 10, negative 16 squared all
okay.
around.
Damn. Okay.
And then they have the faces are 8 disc, so it actually clears the Z32 brakes. No
Oh,
spacers or
shit.
nothing.
Okay.
You can check it out.
I like that, man. Just building the wheels to fit. You
Yeah,
know?
exactly.
It looks
exactly.
good.
Yeah, because there's no point of going like 18 by 12, 18 by 13 when
Yeah.
it's like, you know, so I'd rather just go like the good size 10 and just negative offset,
Dude,
you know.
it's badass, man. That's the only word to describe this car. It's sick.
Thank you, man. Appreciate
Do you
you.
know those S-chassis guys?
Oh yeah, the black was actually my boy from my Selma, sorry, yeah, Selma.
Oh, okay.
And then the white one is his younger brother's car.
Damn.
Yeah,
That's
so
just
the only one that I wouldn't know is that green one. I don't know who owns that green one.
Oh, this one right here?
Yeah, it's a RB25.
Okay,
swap,
I've seen him around before too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I haven't met him. I was trying to look for him. I didn't see him, so.
I know we need to throw like an S chassis meet, you know, so
Yeah,
we
yeah,
kind of
right.
know each other. But
Hell yeah,
I've seen him hit that shit's clean, dude.
Yeah, I was looking at it. I was like, oh, it's nice.
That's like the dream swap. You
Yeah,
know?
nice. I was like, oh, okay. Because when he pulled up, I was just like, oh, this is not stock. This is some monsters.
Yeah.
Crazy, man.
Is this thing just stock too?
Yes, it's all stock. And
Damn.
we actually just got done bagging it last
Okay.
month.
Dude, that's sick, man.
And it's my buddy Kevin, the owner is the guy's blue hat. He's
Oh,
from
okay.
Merced.
Okay.
Yeah, Merced area.
This is for hella fun to drive.
Smell that carburetor.
Just chilled and talked with the S chassis guys, and they're really cool guys. So hopefully we'll meet up one day and kind of just see all their 240s. Their 240s are sick. But yeah, this is David's right here. This shit looks clean. So they're all just stock KAs. This one, however, is the dream swap. the last section of the show, and it's pretty cool. A lot of motivating K-swaps to look at, and some crazy builds like this. All these turbo B-swap builds. S2K here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. A lot of cool cars. I have a bunch for sale for you guys. That might actually be it. I'm gonna walk back to the car and then probably just head out back home because I gotta finish Jeffrey's truck. So I'm gonna be heading back. But pretty cool turnout. There's actually a lot of cars, a lot of sick Hondas. So yeah, let's make our way back to the car and then see if we see anything cool on the street again. Usually there's some pretty cool cars on the street too, so keep going. It's actually a really good turnout. This is a pretty big meet, and it was pretty big last year too, but I didn't record it. None of the 86 guys showed up this year. Last year there was like 2 or 3 of them, but this year is a little bit dead with 86 guys. It's cool to see all the S chassis guys got their contact numbers, so maybe we could start meeting up with them and do some cool content with those guys. Their cars are really clean, really great examples of how S chassis should be built. But it's getting kind of hot. I think I dressed for colder weather, but should be okay. So that looks like it's it. I feel like this year wasn't as much people, but I feel like a lot more cars that showed up, so it's pretty cool. And it's actually a really nice day today. But yeah, that might be it, guys. So I'll see you guys back at home. All right, guys, we are back home from the car show, and like I said, it was a good turnout. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I don't know. I don't remember how much footage I got, but I'm just gonna go ahead and upload it so you guys can check it out. It's a really cool show, and hopefully I could bring one of my cars next year. I want to finish my 86 and start bringing it out to car shows and just bring it out to track days and just having fun with it. But hopefully I could build that car within at least a year. But yeah, and just have fun with that car. Finally have a nice fun, crazy car that I could bring. I'm thinking about registering this car, even though it's Jeffrey's, and I could start driving it around, taking it to car shows too. There's one coming up at the end of the month. It's that Chillerton one, and I'm thinking about bringing this and maybe having some of the 86 guys show up too, and we could have all of the 86s in one spot. But yeah, just enjoying this car again, and look at how it looks. But yeah, it's almost done. Just gotta do some more things and then we should be able to just take it out and have fun. I'm gonna try to paint these soon, paint it black. I'm just gonna tape up everything and then paint it black here and do the same thing for these as well. And then maybe touch the door jambs too. So I'm gonna prep all that and then go ahead and just maybe spray can the door jambs black so that it will just kind of match, and it should look good like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more content, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later. Peace.